What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to internally link a different way than what you've seen before. If you haven't seen my internally linking video inside of our free blogging course, I highly recommend you check it out. This you could think of as a bonus or an addition to learning how to internally link properly. Before we begin, I'll explain what internally linking is, just in case if you don't know what it is, and I'll kind of do a live demonstration of why it's important. So internally linking is really simple. It's where you take context in your blog, let's just say some text, and you link to another portion of your blog. So for example, here is an example of an internal link, and I could go ahead, or that's an external link, excuse me. Let me find an internal link here for you. Let's say this example, this is an internal link. And so here I'm making a recommendation in the blog to like lift weights, for example, to help boost testosterone. And if somebody clicks on this, it'll take them to another blog post with our full body workout guide. So that's an example of an internal link. All right. So if somebody was to click on it, we could actually do this demonstration live. If I go overhead here, and let me go ahead and first save what I did here so that it kind of updates, and then I'll just go ahead and scroll here. And if anybody's curious, we're using Rocket Web Builder, of course, Rocket Builder. And if you go over here and click the full body workout guide, guess what? It's going to take you to the blog post about the full body workout guide. All right, so that's an example of an internal link. What's another way that you could do internal linking? Well, you could do it with images, okay? So one way that images are good for your website is you can add alt text to them. So I can go over here, hit edit image, and then describe what the image is. That helps from an SEO standpoint. But another thing you could do with an image is internally link the image to another blog post. So these are images that have been already used for the thumbnails as blogs. So you could go ahead and take a look here. If we go to our website, these are examples of different images, right? And so I just use them here, and then what I'm doing is I'm creating a little section at the bottom of the blog post that says read other testosterone boosting blogs. So I'll have kind of like these here, and I'll take this, let's just say I move this upwards, right? I can increase the size of this, okay? And each image I can internally link. So I can hit this edit link button, and then boom, it has a link to it. So the way to do this is simple. Find the blog that you want to link to, add the image in your blog post, right? Click on the image, hit the edit link button, and then add the respective link. So in my case, I have a web page that's the testosterone boosting ingredients, right? And if somebody was to go to that page, we're going to have them go to it via new tab. Not the same tab, but new tab, okay? And we're going to go ahead and hit select. That way, whenever somebody clicks on this image, we'll have them take them there, right? So if you look here, we also have the alt text. We have all that kind of stuff, right? So now what I'll go ahead and do is hit update. And then if I wanted to go ahead and view that blog post, so that blog post is the carnivore blog post. So I could search for it here and search for it, click on it. This is the blog post. If I go ahead and scroll down, let's just say I'm a reader and I see this. I take my mouse, I hover over it. It has this zoom in effect, which is pretty cool. I can click on it, and guess what? It takes me to the blog post. Does that make sense? Obviously, I have to switch up the image here, certain things like that, but hey, this is not that bad, and you get the kind of concept as to how it works. I'll probably edit the image right now, just so that we're on screen. I might as well. But that's how you internally link. This is another way to internally link. So real quick, this is our testosterone boosting ingredients image. I might have to actually create, here it is, ingredients that boost testosterone, boom. And I'll go ahead and hit save. So you get the concept as to how that works. All right, so if you have any questions on any kind of blog related stuff, leave them in the comments down below. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out, bye.